Okay, it's now part 2 ng ating pag-review ng mga Viva Max series. Thankfully, tapos na yung iskandalo, so I don't have to stay up this late para mag-review ng High School on Sex kasi 'di ba nga I review High School on Iskandalo din High School on Sex. But I fear ilan ba episode ng High School on Sex para ma-adjust ko na naman schedule ko. Kasi 'di ba darating yung series nila Angelica sa ni Jamila Obismo na wag mo ako agawan, wag mong agawin ng akin. So, yeah. So, habang masaya pa tayo, let's review the High School on Sex episode 2, Hookups and Hookdowns. So, yeah, make believe muscle you wanna look up. Well, make believe muscle is who you wanna look up. Uh, First of all, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, comment your thoughts. Basta wag nyo lang i-comment na i-play ko yung episode dito sa YouTube kasi bawal yon. Madi-DMCA tayo. And then, I'm going to make a special announcement pala. I will try to attempt for accreditation ng Marcos administration in terms of vlogging. So, di naman technically vlog channel tong channel ko kasi it's more on gacha gaming, which is Dissidia Final Fantasy Opera Omnia, and I think I will make a video tomorrow about Dissidia or later. It's gonna be Dissidia Final Fantasy Opera Omnia versus Diablo Immortal. So maybe I'll do a video about that. And then furthermore, we got a review of Secrets rin mamaya. Di ko alam kung gaano ko itatagal to kasi it's 2 a.m. in the morning and I have to worship by 6 a.m. Maybe I'll do secrets after this. So, let's see if kaya ng ano ko. Kung kuman ako o mabili na ako sa oras, I'll just publish the secret review around 12 noon and then I'll film my Dissidia Final Fantasy Opera Omnia versus Diablo Immortal video later in the day or sa evening. Now, without further being said, this is the review of High School on Sex episode 2, Hookups and Hookdowns. So, what we left up is ang pagbabalik ni Carla, yung ex ni Gibo, which is played by Wilbert Ross. And I think the premise of this episode na to is less on comedy but more on developing the relationship sa mga characters. So, what kind of relationship? So, we got the development ng relationship ni Wes to a random girl named Ashley, which is the girlfriend of a big muscular guy na kamukha ni James Vega ng Mass Effect 3. So, we open up the episode with the two of them having sex. Tapos habang nagsisex sila, parang nag-i-scroll down yung babae ng Instagram tapos tinitingnan niya yung Instagram profile ni Wes. So, imbes na yes ang inungol ng babae, Wes yung nasabi, and then that led to breakup. Syempre, galit yung lalaki. Baka in future episodes, babawi yung lalaki. The boy is a gang member of Yanis, yung napatay sa iskandalo. Pinatay siya sa iskandalo para lang malagay dito. So, that's a thing. And yeah, we also introduced with Sean or Sean. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but yun kanyang tatay is like a military man na at medyo hindi military-esque yung pag-uugali ni Sean, yung disorganized. Organized yung father niya, si Sean, disorganized. At hindi siya marunong magtali ng necktie, but that's okay because neither do I. So, Sean is a crush of Mavic, yung character Angela Morena. And we see this development later in the episode kung saan nagtalik sila dun sa van. And yeah, naging MU sila later in the episode. So, like I said, this episode is establishing relationships. And what more established relationship than Mr. Wilbert Ross here, Gibo, and Isad, played by Denise Esteban in this picture. They have established themselves as friends, pero I think Isa has a liking kay Gibo. Lagi niya iniisip na nakikipagtalik sila every time they meet up on this random place sa gymnasium. Another thing to note is strapless yung mga bra nila. Ang tatapa nila mag-strapless in under uniform. When I was in high school, wala ata naging strapless na babae nun. Yeah. Wala ata eh. Black na bra pwede pa, pero wala eh. So we got this development. Naging kakasi ni Gibo muli si Carla, and I think Carla is giving Gibo the cold shoulder. And Gibo, if ex mo si Carla, wag mo na habulin, pre. Ex na nga eh. Ba't mo pa inahabol? Parang kang parang kang sick love, desperate love puppy na ewan. Ewan ko. Am I supposed to laugh at that? This is a comedy, but you're just making yourself humiliating, man. You even you even sought the help ng iyong teacher just to cope na ayaw na sa'yo ni Carla. Gusto mo pa nga iatid si Carla, kaso nakipag-busy yan si Gibo sa kanyang teacher, si Rob Ginto, na inon nyo sa G-Spot para lang mag-cope. Nakalimutan niya yung promise na iatid si Carla. So yeah, just make up your mind, Mr. Gibo. It's a thing. So why is Carla giving the cold shoulder? Well, we need to introduce ourselves with the librarians. Sir Lem. Sir Lem is yung mabait na teacher ni Gibo na nakilala natin last episode. They meet up and siya yung medyo dabarkad sa mga faculty. And the reason bakit dabarkad sa mga faculty dito is he has a liking on girl students. Na siya yung teacher na medyo, alam mo na, medyo ma-L. Lalo na kung may mga kasama siyang estudyante na babae. So that's the role of Mr. Lem. And I think his role is being played by Rocky, yung same guy na nakulong sa Iskandalo. But I'm not really sure. Di ko kilala yung artista na yun eh. So, that's a thing. And, if siya nga yung lalaki sa Iskandalo, that boy is also a molester ng kanyang mga subordinates. So, yeah. Well, the episode concluded na nakita ni Isa through her bike na nakikipagtalik si Sir Lem kay Carla. And, it has been established kahit sa trailer pa lang, unang trailer ng High School on Sex, si Carla at si Sir Lem ang dalawang mag-on dito. Now, there is one element dito na hindi ko pa nakadiscuss, and it is Mr. Wes. So, Wes had intercourse kasi pinilit siya nung Ashley. Doon sila sa vacant room. It's a normal school. Sa school days, ginawa yon, na ginawang spot yung room na hindi madalas puntahan ng mga tao at doon sila magtatalik. And that is the scene that we got. Ang na-unfortunate lang dito, sayang yung korneto. So, nagsimula sila, bumili silang dalawang korneto. Kinakain ni Wes yung korneto niya, then yung korneto ni Ashley, tinabi niya doon sa isang gilid. Then nakipagtalik sila. Not just once, but twice. So, may round 2 na sex dito, then fade to black. Kasi sabi ko lang, sayang yung korneto. Sana binigyan nyo na lang sa akin. What do I think about this episode? It fails on the comedic part. Wala akong nakita medyo comedic dito kasi medyo seryoso yung tono. Ang masasabi ko lang, ang comedic part lang dito is something, I can't say anything comedic, pero ang hot ni Carla, no, yung kanyang damit, yung, sinasabi ko nga buong episode, pakibotones po yung blouse iha. Sa eskwela niya, pas yung blouse niya walang botones. Siguro kaya nakapasok si Carla kasi di ba expected mag-abroad siya tapos pila siya nandyan is kasi nga nakikipagrelasyon siya dun sa librarian. And yeah, sayang yung corneto. And then we found out in the episode teaser for next week na may gay shit na mangyayari kina Wes at kay Sean. So, I'm not looking forward to that. Di ako fan ng mga homo scenes. But I still have to do it for the sake of review. High School on Sex episode 2 is just a filler arc. Para ini-establish dito yung relationship na yung mga magiging partner ng ating cast. And I think the follow up pa rin talaga is Gibo Isa. Gibo just finger bang her teacher. Finger bang bang. It's a goodbye and good night. Finger bang.